Hey, my beautiful people. Welcome back to SoulSync. It's Dovey here, and today we're diving into a topic that's been on many of your minds: how to make a guy chase you, whether you're just starting to talk to someone or you're in the early stages of dating. Creating that spark where he's eager to pursue you can make all the difference. But it's not about playing games, it's about showing your worth and keeping things fun and exciting. Let's break it down into 10 detailed tips. 1. Be confident in yourself. First thing first. Confidence is magnetic. When you're sure of yourself, guys can't help but notice. This doesn't mean you have to be loud or extroverted. It's about knowing your value and not settling for less. Walk into the room like you belong there, smile genuinely, and focus on your strengths. If you're not feeling confident yet, fake it till you make it. Work on the things that make you feel good, whether that's a new outfit, hitting the gym, or developing a skill you're proud of. Confidence isn't just attractive, it sets the tone for how others treat you. 2. Create a little mystery. Let him wonder about you. If you're an open book from the start, he might feel like there's nothing more to discover. Share parts of your life and personality, but leave some things for him to find out over time. For example, instead of answering every question with a detailed backstory, give him a teaser like, "Oh, that's a long story I'll tell you sometime." This keeps him curious and eager to learn more about you. 3. Don't always be available. If you're constantly available, it might make him feel like he doesn't have to put in much effort. Being too accessible can sometimes backfire. Instead, focus on your own life, whether it's hanging out with friends, working on your goals, or enjoying your hobbies. This doesn't mean playing hard to get in an obvious way, but if you're busy, let him know. For example, if he asks to hang out last minute, you can say, "I'd love to, but I already have plans. Let's figure out another time." 4. Show him you have standards. Guys respect someone who knows their worth and doesn't settle for less. If he's not meeting your expectations, don't hesitate to let him know kindly but firmly. This might mean saying no to plans that don't align with your values or expressing your needs clearly. For instance, if he's being inconsistent with communication, you could say, "I really appreciate when someone puts in effort to stay connected. It means a lot to me. This shows him that he needs to step up if he wants to keep your attention." 5. Focus on your own life. One of the most attractive things you can do is live a life you love. When you're passionate about your work, hobbies, or goals, it shows that you're independent and fulfilled. This makes him want to be part of your world. Spend time pursuing the things that make you happy, whether it's starting a side hustle, traveling, or simply catching up with friends. When you're thriving on your own, it naturally makes him want to chase you even more. 6. Flirt, but keep it subtle. Flirting is key, but you don't have to go over the top. Small gestures like a playful smile, a teasing remark, or light touch on the arm can work wonders. It shows interest without coming on too strong. For example, if he tells a funny joke, you could lightly nudge him and say, "Wow, look at you, Mr. Comedian." It's fun, flirty, and keeps things lighthearted. 7. Compliment him thoughtfully. Compliments are great, but make them count. Instead of generic praise like, "You're cute," go for something meaningful like, "I love how passionate you are about." This makes him feel seen and valued. Guys appreciate when you notice the little things, and it encourages them to open up more. Plus, thoughtful compliments show that you're paying attention, which is always a win. 8. Let him take the lead sometimes. While it's great to show your interest, leave some room for him to make the effort. If you're always initiating conversations or planning dates, it can take away the thrill of the chase and open you up to hating what you've been given. Let him plan the next outing or text you first once in a while. And it's not about playing games, but giving him space to show he's interested too. 9. Be playful and fun. Relationships should feel exciting, especially in the beginning. Keep things light and playful, whether it's joking around, trying something new together, or being a little unpredictable. For example, if you're texting, send him a funny meme or challenge him to a trivia question. A little humor and spontaneity make interactions memorable and keep him coming back for more. 10. Stay true to yourself. Above all, be authentic. Pretending to be someone you're not just to make him chase you will only backfire in the long run. Show him your quirks, passions, and even flaws is what makes you unique. And trust me, the right guy will appreciate you for exactly who you are. So there you have it, 10 ways to make a guy chase you without playing games. Remember, it's all about showing your worth and letting him step up. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SoulSync for more tips on love, dating, and relationships. And hey, if you've got your own tricks to spark a chase, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories. Until next time, stay amazing and know your worth.